Well, good morning, YouTube. It's Ethan here on the trail again. At a new spot this time. I'm in Capitol Reef National Park in south central Utah. And it's very beautiful. As you saw from that little shot I gave you, very beautiful and very scenic. And as you can see right now, we're on this trail here, which is actually two trails. The Hickman Bridge and also Rim Overlook at Navajo Knobs. And I am doing the second one. So, anyway, as I was saying, I'm doing the Rim Overlook and Navajo Knobs trail today. I might or might not do the Hickman Bridge trail tomorrow, depending on how I feel, but I'm pretty sure you actually get decent views of Hickman Bridge from the one I'm hiking today, so. But I definitely am going to be hiking all the way up to Navajo Knobs, which is, it's a 9-mile hike round trip. So it's about 4.5 miles each way. And then tomorrow, I'm still going to be in the park. And I will be hiking the Cassidy Arch Trail. Wow. Very beautiful. Right in the heart of Red Rock country here. All right. We have officially branched off from the Hickman Bridge Trail and are now officially on the Rim Overlook and Navajo Knobs Trail. And the scenery just keeps getting better and better. What you're looking at right in front of you is called the Water Pocket Fold. It's 100 miles long, stretches all the way from probably about say 10-20 miles north of here down to Lake Powell, which is on the border with Arizona. And it's literally, if you look it up, it's literally a wrinkle in the Earth's crust. And it definitely makes for some beautiful views and very interesting to learn about. But anyway, let's continue hiking here. There's a guy up the trail a little bit, and other than him, I don't see anybody else on this trail. Seems like everybody else is taking the Hickman Bridge Trail. So that's awesome. Looking forward to what will hopefully be a nice, quiet, and peaceful hike. Little wash there for when it floods. Deserts are definitely not a good place to be. Well, I'll say that again. Deserts during a flash flood in the low areas are not a good place to be. Beautiful landscape of the Utah desert. Amazing. All right, well, for those of you wondering, this is going to be a 3-part video. Figured since it's 4.5 miles to the top, might as well make it 3 parts. Something else that's really cool, by the way, is all this volcanic rock here. I mean, there's a ton of it all over the place. It's really cool. But anyway, it is going to be a 3-part video. So I think I'm going to make part 2 when I get to the rim overlook, which I believe is about another maybe 1.5 miles from here, something like that. And then I'll of course make part 3 at the end of the trail at the Navajo Knobs. Well, I almost just busted my ass there. That was cool. But that might just be even cooler. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end part 1 here. And like I said, I will go ahead and start part 2 at the rim overlook, so you guys can get some spectacular views of that. Alright guys, I will see you in a bit.